Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you a quick and easy chicken stir fry that you can get to do when you're on the go in no time. So these are just all the ingredients that I'm going to use. Carrots, I have garlic, I have onions, I have assorted sweet peppers, I have a tin of corn that I throw out here, I have some chicken breast, which I don't want much, and I have broccoli, and of course I cannot do without my oyster sauce. So I'm going to use oyster sauce. I'm going to use a dash of Maggi, a little bit of salt, and of course I'm going to use my olive oil. I'm going to use olive oil. So I already have my pan preheated over here. I'm going to throw some olive oil in it real quick, just a little. There we go. That looks really good. Oh my gosh, guys. That looks so good. Now I'm going to throw it in all my broccoli. There we go. Guys, the perfect stir fry. It's hot, it's yummy, it's full of color, it's vibrant, and it can be done in no time. When you have this, you don't need to have nothing else with it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't leave before you subscribe and hit that notification. That way when I upload videos, you will be sure to get them. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all the love, and I'll see you guys in my next food video. Bye guys.